thrilling performance born of Bronco DNA. Thanks to the legendary Bronco Baja racing DNA, each model brings forth a thrilling off-road experience and delivers it with modern, heritage-inspired style. It all began in a Ford design studio with a life-size digital scan of a first-generation model that served to influence the proportions and design of the all-new Bronco for maximum off-road capability and performance. Similar to the square proportions of the first-generation model, today's Bronco features short overhangs and a wide stance optimized for off-road adventure. The side profile features a flat, no-nonsense surface with clear-cut edges and robustly flared fenders. Large, open wheel wells are a modular design with quick-release fasteners for simple removal and customization. All-new Bronco-specific Ford T6 architecture features a fully boxed, high-strength steel chassis with 7 cross members to deliver available class-leading front and rear suspension travel over rough terrain. Every Bronco comes with a high-performance off-road stability suspension HOS system for optimum stability and control for thrilling off-roading at speed. Up front is the HOS independent front suspension with twin alloy A-arms and progressive rate coil over springs brings improved confidence and comfort. A rugged solid axle design at the rear features progressive rate coil springs with 5 locating links to deliver both strength and off-road control. In higher capability configurations, with either the Sasquatch Off-Road Package, which is available on all Bronco models, or on the Badlands and Registered Trademark Series, long travel position sensitive Bilstein Registered Trademark dampers with end-stop control valves are featured to help improve off-road durability and reduce harshness. Upping the slow rock crawling capability on Bronco Badlands, an available semi-active hydraulic stabilizer bar disconnect with class-exclusive design provides maximum articulation and increased ramp angle index for off-camber terrain. This innovative system bests class competitors by disconnecting during articulation. It can reconnect under all conditions to improve steering and stability at higher speeds. Class-exclusive 35-inch off-road tires direct from the factory are available on every Bronco SUV series, while available beadlock-capable wheels allow customers to elevate off-road capability, regardless of price point. Race-bred EcoBoost registered trademark engines plus class-exclusive 7-speed manual and available 10-speed automatic transmissions give the all-new Bronco the optimal combination of power, torque and gear ranges to perform in a wide variety of terrains and uses. The available 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine is projected to deliver best gasoline V6-powered horsepower and torque in the class with 310 horsepower and 400 pounds-ft of torque, while the 2.3-liter EcoBoost is projected to deliver best gasoline-powered 4-cylinder torque in the class with a 310 pounds-ft and with an expected 270 horsepower. For maximum low-speed rock climbing capability, a class-exclusive 7-speed 6-1 manual transmission paired with the available advanced 4x4 system with automatic on-demand engagement generates a best-in-class crawler gear ratio of 94.75:1. An available class-exclusive select-shift registered trademark 10-speed automatic transmission makes for easier driving on and off-road, while offering a maximum 67.81 crawl ratio with the optional advanced 4x4 transfer case.